Hello, this is a Bath & Body Works fragrance mist cap that I drilled 8 holes into evenly. Then I took a hairspray cap and super glued that into the middle of it, and this will give you a flower pattern. Okay, so I'm going to start with the black first, and once I put that in, I'm going to let that run out for about 2 minutes or so, just to get a little bit of black on the canvas before I add in my next color. Now I'm going to add in the Brilliant Magenta, and I'm going to let that drip for about 5 minutes before adding in the next color. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and add in my light blue, and once again let that drip for about 5 minutes. Next is the Brilliant Yellow, and once again let that drip for 5 minutes before adding in your next color. Next I'm adding in Bright Aqua Green. Okay, so now I'm just going to go through and relayer my colors, allowing 5 minutes before adding in the next. I'm also going to go ahead and cover the rest of the canvas in the black paint. Just wanted to give you a close-up before I go and spin it. So here we are for the final close-up, and I have to say I really love this technique. The lines, the patterns, it's just stunning to me. I really hope you enjoyed it too. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.